Is it time to buy or sell Oklo stock? In this video, we will delve into an in-depth analysis of Oklo. Our initial report was published on Thursday, the 24th of October, 2024, and we are here to provide a more comprehensive examination. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell so you can stay informed about our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any key updates that may influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the capabilities of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one of 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be construed as financial advice. Since the 14th of October, 2024, our system has ranked Oklo as a buy candidate, awarding it a score of 2.83. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of nearly 80% since we first identified Oklo as a buy candidate just 9 days ago. This results in an average return of approximately 9% per day since its designation as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating further potential for growth within this trend. The trend observed over the past 3 months suggests a possible change of approximately 50% over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging from a decline of nearly 23% to an increase of 88%. Our latest daily update for Oklo includes the headline, Volatile Ride for Oklo Inc. stock price on Thursday, moving between $17.60 and $19.44. The Oklo Inc. stock price fell by 1.31% on the last day, Thursday, the 24th of October, 2024, from $18.30 to $18.06. It has now declined for 3 consecutive days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 10.45%, with a day low of $17.60 and a day high of $19.44. Throughout this period, the price has experienced significant ups and downs, but there has been an 84.1% gain over the last 2 weeks. The trading volume also decreased on the last day alongside the stock price, which is generally a positive indicator, as volume typically follows the stock's movement. On the last day, the trading volume dropped by 13 million shares, with a total of 22 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $390,048,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price recorded was $22.93, while the lowest price was $5.35. Currently, the price is 21.24%, or $4.87, below the 52-week high of $22.93, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Oklo Incorporated is making waves in the stock market, driven by a surge in interest and investment in nuclear energy, particularly in relation to the increasing energy demands associated with artificial intelligence development. Shares of Oklo have skyrocketed dramatically, doubling in value over the past week and experiencing an impressive increase of 170% within the month. This momentum is largely fueled by endorsements from influential tech figures like Sam Altman and significant investments from companies like Amazon, indicating a critical shift towards recognizing nuclear power's potential in supporting advanced technologies. The company's recent stock surge to record highs demonstrates strong investor confidence, suggesting that traders are keenly watching Oklo as a leading player in the nuclear energy sector. As interest in nuclear continues to rise, especially with its potential role in powering data centers and artificial intelligence infrastructures, Oklo's market position appears increasingly robust. In the short term, this momentum could lead to heightened volatility as speculative trading continues, potentially driving the stock even higher. However, in the long term, the speculative nature of the investment, highlighted by a significant timeline until revenue generation expected in the year 2027, raises questions about sustainable growth. The strong insider ownership does convey a commitment to the company's vision, which could lend stability as the nuclear energy landscape evolves. Overall, Oklo presents both significant opportunities and risks for investors as the market dynamics shift in favor of nuclear energy solutions. Analyst Ratings. On Tuesday, the 24th of September, 2024, it was reported that Citigroup assigned Oklo a neutral rating with a hold recommendation. On Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024, it was reported that B. Riley designated Oklo a buy rating with an initialized recommendation. On Friday, the 6th of September, 2024, it was reported that Seaport Global rated Oklo as neutral with an initialized recommendation. On Friday, the 21st of June, 2024, it was reported that Citigroup gave Oklo another neutral rating with a hold recommendation. On Tuesday, the 4th of June, 2024, it was reported that Citigroup assigned Oklo a neutral rating with an initialized recommendation. Analysts have assigned Oklo stock a general sell rating. They have classified the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have also rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Oklo. The stock of Oklo Inc. currently presents a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. As the short-term average remains above the long-term average, there is an overall buy signal for the stock, suggesting a positive outlook. If the stock experiences further gains, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $18.57. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the long-term average around $10.27. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will generate a sell signal. Additionally, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MEMACD. Some negative signals have also been issued, which could impact the near-term development. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, the 21st of October in the year 2024, and thus far, the stock has decreased by 19.05%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Notably, volume has decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which helps to reduce overall risk as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots suggest a sell signal from 4 days ago. The short-term moving average provided a sell signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 26 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages generated a buy signal 25 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average signaled a buy 27 days ago. The long-term moving average presented a sell signal 20 days ago. The interaction between the short and long moving averages yielded a buy signal 13 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for Oklo. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $16.54 and $15.73. Without support from accumulated volume below today's level, the risk increases significantly. A drop below the support at $15.73 could result in a substantial decrease in the stock price. This stock is known for its considerable daily fluctuations, or volatility, and given the broad prediction interval indicated by the Bollinger Band, it is classified as very high risk. Over the past day, the stock experienced a movement of $1.84 between its high and low, which is a 10.45% change. In the last week, the stock exhibited an average daily volatility of 23.37%. Before we dive into the potential good trading levels for Oklo, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often due to circumstances beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profitability and the risk of potential bankruptcy. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 12th of November, 2024. Analyst consensus estimates are at a loss of 8 cents per share. Keep a close watch on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Oklo. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Oklo is at $18.23. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Oklo encounters its first support level at $16.54. If this support level holds, it could be a promising entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Oklo from various analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred over 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 10th of July, 2024, when Wright Christopher A. executed an insider purchase of 16,854 shares of restricted stock units. Our recommended stop loss is set at $17.03, reflecting a decrease of 5.68%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a considerable level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal indicated by a pivot top identified 3 days ago. Is Oklo stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with an overall positive trend, suggest that we may be witnessing a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for Oklo Inc. stock to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 25th of October, we anticipate Oklo to open at approximately 30.7 cents and begin trading around $18.37. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.